Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Juan from the cSigma team, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can mint and redeem our new yield-bearing token csUSD. Now first things first, you're going to see here a couple of networks, and this is because we've deployed csUSD on Ethereum mainnet and csUSD-H on the Hedera mainnet. The only difference between these two is that with the Hedera one, you can only mint using USDC, whereas with the Ethereum token, you can mint using USDC or USDT. For the purpose of this demo, I'm going to go ahead and use csUSD on Ethereum mainnet. There's actually a few ways you can mint csUSD from the cSigma app interface, but let me show you the quickest one first. So if I have some USDC on my Ethereum mainnet account, all I gotta do is enter the amount right here. It's very similar to any other DeFi protocol. The interface will then display how much I get in return based on the current exchange rate, which I can see right here. And all I gotta do is click the mint button. And I gotta approve my token approvals. And once I've confirmed all my transactions, I will have minted some csUSD. Very simple stuff. But let's say that I have some assets not in USDC or USDT. If I click on the drop down here, you're going to see a larger list of supported assets. And this is thanks to the integration we have with CowSwap. So what this allows you is to swap these assets into USDC or USDT so that you can then mint the csUSD without ever leaving the cSigma interface. So as you can see in my wallet, I have some wrapped Ether, and let's say I want to deposit that instead of this USDC that I have. So I'll click here, and I just enter the amount that I want to swap. And now our CowSwap integration is going to fetch the quotes. And as you can see, thanks to the CowSwap integration, we can then swap it into USDC, which we can then use to mint the csUSD. And once I've finalized all the token transactions, I have now swapped my wrapped Ethereum into USDC. Well, the order is still open. We just gotta wait for CowSwap to fill it. And as you can see, the swap has been completed successfully, and I have a few more USDC that I can now use to mint csUSD. Now, the third way you can mint csUSD is if you have assets sitting on a different network. And this is thanks to our Stargate integration. So if you click on the drop down here, you can see the list of supported networks that we have. And this includes all the major networks like BNB, Arbitrum, Base, Polygon, and we may even add a few more in the future. I don't have any assets sitting on a different network at the moment, but the process is very similar. All I gotta do is click on the selected network where my assets are sitting and enter the amount. Let's say I had $50 sitting on BNB, and their Stargate integration will then fetch all the required information, which we will be displaying over here. So you can see what are the bridge fees, the slippage, how much you're going to receive, how much it's going to take you, and then you can bridge and then mint the csUSD. And now we can move into the redeeming part. Redeeming is super straightforward, and basically you just have to click on the redeem tab over here. And the cool part about redeeming is that you can redeem into USDC or USDT, and you can also select which network you would like to redeem to. So as you can see right now, I have 4.92 csUSD, and let's say I want to withdraw some of that into my Base wallet. So I just click the network here. Then let's say I just want to redeem 2 of my csUSD. I enter the amount, and then thanks to our Stargate integration, you'll see all the bridging details over here as well, the bridging fees and whatnot. All I gotta do is click the redeem button, and as usual, all I have to do is confirm all my allowances and token transactions. And just like that, I've now withdrawn my csUSD into USDC into base. So if I click on the block explorer here, it'll take me to layer 0. And here I can follow the money until it's confirmed on my base network's wallet. If I want to redeem straight into my Ethereum mainnet wallet, it's just as easy. You just gotta select the Ethereum mainnet over here, enter the amount that you want to redeem, and once again, go over all my token transactions and approvals. And just like that, I've now redeemed my csUSD into USDC on Ethereum mainnet, which I can check over here, as well as on the block explorer over here. And that's it for the redeeming. There is one detail that I would like to go over before I end this video, and this is regarding the vault reserves. So if I click on the vault details over here, you're going to see that in the vault reserve, there's a specific amount in USDC and USDT. And what this means is that this is the amount that's immediately withdrawable by the lenders of the vault. But for example, if I had 100 USDT into the vault and I requested to withdraw 100 USDT, I would immediately receive 80 USDT, but then the remaining 20 would be added to the vault's withdrawal queue. Now, we have another separate video regarding the withdrawal queue, so I recommend everyone to go check that one out. It's pretty straightforward, but that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.